When your building has an eave extension, you will need to install post trim along the length of your low eave purlin to cover both the purlin and the end of your soffit panels. Post trim will be shown on your sheet metal trim package list. If your building has an eave extension, then your post trim will be identified as at eave. Your post trim will overlap the bird box trim by a minimum of 2 inches. The bird box installation will be covered in another video. Secure the post trim along the bottom leg and into the high rib of the soffit at 18 inches on center, without going through the bottom of the eave purlin as shown here. Lap the post trim by a minimum of 2 inches, as additional pieces are required. When approaching the end of your eave purlin, measure and cut your final piece to length so that it overlaps the bird box by a minimum of 2 inches. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.